am at the 2,700 square foot Adams Homes in Villa Grande. They have some upgrades that the other communities don't have, so I'm definitely happy to show you this home. We definitely can show you this home, and this community, they're going to have phase 3, so they're at the end of phase 2, but there will be a phase 3 next year. So let's go check out the model home, which is one of my favorites, and one of the ones that honestly I've sold a lot of. So this is, when people see it, they say this is exactly what I want, and there's a reason why. So you come in, you do have a step to walk up. You have this big patio area where you have the two sides, you have your patio, and then you come in and you have a grand formal foyer. So you have this foyer section to where you can do whatever you want on both sides before we've entered the house. So if you don't really want someone to see your house, you can just greet them at the door like the old days, right here at the foyer section. Now, but behind me, you can see this house is very open concept, very modern, very open concept. And this is all a lot of the base stuff in this house. So it's going to be great. We're going to come this way first. That way we can kind of start. We walked in the formal way, but maybe you're going to walk in the informal way, the way you would walk in to your home. So let's start over here. We are in a mudroom. You can put your stuff in the mudroom. You can have, your shoes, add a couple hooks, and you have a 2-car garage. They're using this obviously for a lot of building storage right now because this is the model home, but definitely 2 cars are going to fit. And you also have that half bath right off to the side. So if you are in a rush, you can put your groceries down, you can go to the bathroom, and then we continue on into the house. So it's just a half bath right there. So if you have guests over as well, they're not going into your bedroom. Now you have a very open concept kitchen. Modern. No, it does not come with a refrigerator. Bring your own refrigerator. But you do have a very large pantry area. So that's what's nice about this house. It's 2,700 square feet and is very, very large. You can see granite counters. It definitely comes with electric appliances. And then over here to my left, you have your formal dining area. You can see it has you can see we are definitely in a formal dining room. It comes with the molding, the crown molding. You can see the tray ceiling. That is standard in Villa Grande. And then we're going to go out back before you see the rest of this beautiful house, because I want to show you why we know for sure that there is a phase 3 that will be here next year. And look at you have this amazing, huge area where you can eat, you can enjoy. Very easy to screen it in. And you can see that they are building a road back there, so they're definitely going to be building more houses back there next year. But that is a huge foyer. And also in this community, they all have decent backyards. So they all decently have a good backyard. It's going to be probably like 1/3 of an acre, but that's what you need for a backyard in order to have a nice backyard. Now we're going to end in the primary. So we're going to go check out this formal living area, and then we will head to the 3 little bedrooms, and then we'll head back to the thing. So you have, in this one, open concept living. The ceiling will go up a little higher, even though it is flat. Once you leave the kitchen area, it goes up another 1 or 2 foot. So you really have this large feeling when you're in this room. You have an electric fireplace. And you don't always need to have bookshelves in order to make it look grand. That's what I like about finding decorators. And this, when I see decorators, I think, wow, that's awesome. Let's go check out the 3 other bedrooms before we go to the primary. So, gorgeous house all together, no? Let's go to the 3 minor bedrooms, and we'll head back to the primary bedroom at the end. So here's just a coat closet, broom closet, whatever you're looking for, and of course, your HVAC. Down the hall a little ways, you also have another place for a second pantry, whatever it is you need, linens, probably a linen closet, because here is the bathroom for these 3 areas. Double sinks, quartz, regular tub, laminate flooring, and you can see it's lovely. Now let's go to the first of the bedrooms. Oh, yep, see, it's beautiful, right? Now also you've shown the floor, right? Water resistant, and I can show you when we get to the 3rd bedroom some of the options. Let's go into the 1st bedroom. First bedroom, you can see, has this huge closet over here. I'm going to stand in the closet and wait for you. Hello, people. See, a huge closet for your guests or whoever. And you can still see this is definitely, I think this is a full, to be honest, but it could definitely fit a queen easy and you would still have space. And then it still has all of this space as well. So we're going to ignore the phone calls and we're going to continue on our path. The second bedroom that this builder is currently using as an office is very much similar to that. You can fit the same size bed in here. If you need an office, this is also a great place for an office. You have a double door closet. I don't know if you can see the double door closet behind me. They're using this as their office, but you can see clearly, and also here's the community. All of these are done except for 2, and then we're going to go on Vincent and we'll have the round 3 later. But it's the same builder, so you can see more. Next, we're going to hit the laundry room. Continuing down this path, you have a washer, dryer, shelf, and honestly, you could put another shelf over here or whatever else you want to do for storage in your laundry room and have a beautiful laundry room. The next bedroom, this is a bedroom, shows you all the options. So if you do a pre-sale with this company, you can come in here and choose a lot of things. Pre-sales will get you a way to come in this room and we can pick all of these things, steel gray. Maybe you want granite counters. You can pick your stone skirt. You can pick your collection for floors. You can pick your cabinets. You can pick your shower. You can pick your backsplash. So there's tons of things to pick in here. Now, that's if we do a pre-sale, and I'm definitely happy to talk to you how to do a pre-sale with Adams Homes. I would always recommend having a real estate agent because we help you along the path, and if there's a problem, we can fix it. And we do this all the time. We've shown you this room. Now let's go to the primary bedroom, which is the seller for many, many people. They see it and say, yep, see, so you have open concept. Just so we're clear, to my right was those 3 bedrooms where your family would go. And over here to my left is where we're going to go for our primary. We're still close together, but we have some space, some separation. Here, tray ceiling, huge, that is a king-size bed. You can still king-size bed and still tons of space in this area. So you have 2 side bureaus, a regular bureau, furniture, and yet you still have plenty of space. So you could really do a lot with this space, and it's pretty gorgeous. Next one in here. Next one. This is still a quartz counter, cabinetry. You have typically a tub and a shower. You can upgrade the showers for a more custom shower if you want, but this is the base shower. Your toilet comes with a little window. And then the tour de France, where we have this huge walk-in closet that is an L-shaped. So you could literally have tons of space in this house. I love showing this house. Super easy to show, super easy to help. There are none available at this moment of the filming of this video, but we know more is coming next year. And eventually they're going to sell this model home as well. So if you have any questions on buying from a builder like Adams Homes, please call me at 252-327-3357 because Victoria, as your agent, is going to help.